Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Dolls. Now it's a little breezy out here today, but as you can see with the bag blowing here, it's a bit of a breeze. But anyways, it's not the breeze that we have to be concerned of. I see which way the wind is blowing, so I have a little squirrel friend looking at me over here wanting some peanuts, but that'll be later. I'll give him some. He saw me out here. As soon as he sees me out here, he comes for me. He just gives me the stare down. Peanuts, lady, peanuts. I can hear it coming from over here. He's just staring at me. Anyways, let's move on with this doll anyhow. So anyhow, the wind is blowing that way. So I'm going to stand in front of the camera here, but you won't be seeing me. You're just going to see my hands and what my hands are going to do. So I brought an extra bag out because we're going to have we're going to take the body and the squeaker, the little, there's a little round circle in here where the mama squeaker was in, and we're going to put that into this bag. But I'll hold it down over here underneath. I got some stuff at the end of this table here. So anyhow, here is our body, and here is the doll. And oh my goodness, I should have brought out my, we're going to have to stop this. I have to be back 1 second.